In this video, we're going to go over who this course is for. So I want to walk through exactly who this course is going to be for so that they can benefit the most, who's going to be able to come in here, with maybe a little bit of experience or some experience as far as them already out there in the marketplace, maybe working with clients and maybe want to actually brush up their skills or maybe further develop their skills, right? So we're going to walk through here who this course is for and who ultimately is going to benefit the most from this course. So let's go ahead and jump in here. Okay, so this course is for those who have no previous web design experience or those that already have some experience with HTML, CSS, right, Sass, and perhaps have been, doing some web design work on their own, maybe working with WordPress or other website builders, right? But they want to get a little bit more of an understanding of how the backend works as far as the HTML, CSS, and Sass, because a lot of different templates out there, a lot of different themes for like WordPress, right? All that really is behind the scenes is HTML, CSS, and probably some JavaScript, right? And so what this course covers here is essentially all of the backend that really allows you to build the website from scratch using these languages that will ultimately give you the finished product that you see on most websites, right? So then we're going to go over the basics of web design, including a complete step-by-step walkthrough of HTML, CSS, and Sass. So even if you already have some experience, perhaps you're going to be able to learn a lot of different techniques, tips, and tricks that you previously hadn't known about, maybe a lot of shortcuts, right? We'll also walk through how to create various effects and animations with using jQuery, and then ultimately how to create websites from scratch using these tools, right? Just like I mentioned, perhaps you may have some experience with other website builders out there, but for this one here, we're really going to dive deep into the backend and understanding how all the coding works as far as being able to use HTML, the CSS, the Sass, right, the jQuery to actually make a website come to life from just code, right? Which is ultimately what a website really is, right? And then this course is for students that want to use HTML, CSS, and Sass with the intent of using it to get a web developer job or start freelancing and working with clients directly. This is probably one of the first things that a lot of you are going to be doing after you finish this course, right? Where you go out and start working with clients. Because we have a lot of different templates, a lot of different proposals ready for you to be able to use, you could start actually going out there and getting clients right after you complete this course and actually start doing some website projects of your own and getting that experience and building up your portfolio on top of what we're going to be building in this particular course. And then finally, this course is for those that are actually looking for a web developer job, right? We have a complete section walking you through how to create a resume, how to contact recruiters, how to build a network, right? If that's a route that you want to take, then we're going to walk you through how to be able to get everything set up so that when you're going into these interviews, when you're actually looking for and applying to these jobs, how to do it the right way so that you can put your best foot forward. So ultimately, this course is really going to be for all of those individuals that already have some experience but want to take their game to the next level, or those that maybe are doing some freelancing and then maybe want to go out and get a job, or vice versa, right? Because especially now where there's a lot more freedom to be able to work online, there's a lot more people that are deciding to go their own route and deciding to work for themselves and work with clients directly. And if you want to work for yourself, then freelancing is a great way to go because you get to set your own schedule, you get to work with your own clients, and you get to oftentimes charge more for your work. So that's going to be it here for this one, and we'll see you on the next one.